and welcome to Ride or Die. We're joined by some new members today.
This is our incredible model, Serhij. You're a pianist, obviously. Is it pianist? Pianist.
Pianist.
Pianist? He's going to blow our hair back.
Like fakes or
Oh
something.
my God.
So this is the beautiful Fiona.
Hello, I'm Fiona. I'm from Switzerland.
And Fiona is going to be taking the cut lead today for us. Yeah, me and Jools are going to bang out a beautiful balayage.
We're going to be so entertained. So let's get to it.
Both of us have agreed that this hair is absolutely exceptional as
dream
is.
hair.
What we're really loving is these light little bits at the end of the hair. So we kind of want to just enhance that. We want to give him that feeling of like I've been on a summer holiday. Yeah.
So Serhij has a big performance coming up in a couple of weeks. So, you know, we don't want to take him green or blue or pink, even though that would just be amazing.
Preferably not.
We do want to make him look professional, but also himself. I agree with you, this summer holiday, Grecian god, you know, we're going to use some clay lightener today.
And we're going to use open air processing. No foils, no, it's literally
elements.
just freehand application. So we're literally going to do a lot of visual work.
What's
So,
that? You're working intuitively.
Intuitively.
Yeah. So we're going to be grabbing curls. Like I love this little hidden curl down here. Can we just zoom in on this little moment? Ta-da, look at this little thing.
Oh no, man, that is too cute.
Ooh. Hello, chicken or fish?
Maybe.
Or tea or coffee?
Tea with chicken, please.
Tea with chicken. That's disgusting, but the customer's always right.
Yes.
Alrighty. Jools is starting in the front. I'm starting here at the nape.
And I really want to keep the curl pattern that we have right now. So I'm going to be basically just lifting up his hair, and whatever curl comes out, and I really like that curl, that's the curl that's going to join the party, the colour party. Here we go.
My
So we're using these
feel
balayage
this.
brushes, and it looks like a paintbrush, and I love them. So I'm just going to slowly, gently come up a little bit here, and then obviously get a lot more heavy-handed down towards the end. You can see Salomé is using a board there. Whatever is easy for you. I don't think I've ever foiled curly hair.
I foil,
Like this.
foil everything. Because I have it packed in and then it's...
It's Swiss.
Yeah, it's
okay.
Swiss.
Have you done freehand before?
I think many years ago in the apprenticeship, but not really.
Great idea.
Try it, sister.
Just on here. And you just do it really light to start with. You can always start in the middle and then bring it up. Yep, and then you can use the back of your hand. Yeah, and then keep painting.
Dig the hole?
Yeah. That's it.
See, the perfectionist in me loves the board rather, because I don't want dirty gloves.
I like dirty clothes.
Use a bit of force. Don't be scared. Get in there. Yeah, girl. That's it. Boom.
Cool. Da.
Yeah.
Every note.
Yeah, okay.
It was just improvising. Can I ask you? Am I here something?
But thank you.
Rucola.
After our 45-minute processing time, we rinsed it, and then we decided to use an Elumen glossing at the basin. Left it on for a few moments, and then rinsed and conditioned.
For my opinion, I like it if you have it very long and also like
Yes.
this mullety feeling in the back.
Mm-hmm.
So I will cut it first in the wet hair, the base of the haircut, also the layers, and then after we dry it, then we look at the shape, and then we can personalize it more with the scissors and look how it's falling. Yes.
Here we go.
Here we go.
There we go.
Hi.
Yeah.
The outer line of the hair, I like it when men don't have like too much this strictly cutted hair.
Yeah.
More like, "Oh, I cut it myself." It's like,
Yeah, that lived-in
Yeah.
feeling.
Oh, I can't see that.
Just, I mean, with his new hair, he looks like a beach babe.
Yeah.
I really love what you're doing here. It's actually getting such a beautiful shape. I see what you did there, girl.
Oh my God, what is this?
yes. And now
Scared me.
Wait, what?
do like fakes or
Oh
something.
my god! Oh, it's for like the hair on the face.
I use a good portion, put it into the hair.
And I love the little squishy sound.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If the hair is enough wet, it should sound like this.
Yeah.
Then it's good. Now I will blow dry the hair with the diffuser. Very high heat, but less blow. The left hand drink coffee, do nothing. And just do like this.
Ready? Can I?
No,
Just,
No,
just like this.
I will do it for you.
Awesome.
I'm your hairdresser. Hi, I'm Boris, but 2.0. The people don't trust me before, and then after their haircut, they're like, "Oh wow, I don't think you could do that." Now it's blow dried, but not already like perfect and out styled. And I use like a comb like this and put it on the scalp, and just that the roots not stick, the hair not sticking to the roots.
Color looks good, girl.
It looks amazing. I don't know if we're going to be able to handle all this like blonde energy.
I don't think we're ready for this sassy. I don't think you're ready.
There we go. That's the Beyonce one we're looking for.
Finally.
Then I will do also with my hand, give a little massage.
Oh.
And now I'm seeing the shape, how it's
Yeah, it's
coming out.
expanded.
Now I can look and define the curls and the
Overall shape.
the overall shape, how I like it. And also from the side. It's a little bit too heavy there. It's like, so I will cut here also a bit of the curls, that it's giving more of the flat shape in the back.
Just got
Don't think too much, just cut when you see it. It's for you also complicated without the mirror.
I want to see it. Yes, finally. Can't wait anymore.
You shouldn't move your head when
Yes.
you're showing it.
I was like that with the scissors.
Yes. Uh-oh.
He's a full body talker.
Sorry.
No.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
I'm ready for
Can
my
I?
close-up.
No,
No. Oh.
sorry.
Not yet, not yet. Not yet, not yet. Soon, soon. You have to close your eyes.
Okay.
You can.
Well done. Good job.
Nailed it.
Crushed it.
No. Yeah.
Wow. Ooh la la.
Do you want to say Beyonce?
Really cool. I need to see. Wow.
You can get through now.
Wow.
Yeah, you can play with
Now
it.
you can play.
Oh my God!
Hey. Hey, look at this.
Oh my God.
This like really. I'm like
This is-
one of these cool guys like this.
This is so cool on
You really do
you.
look amazing.
Yeah.
Of course. Yes. Look at this.
The attitude
Look at
change.
this.
Like,
I'm going to just steal someone's.
so this is our final result. I hope all of you really enjoyed this. I learned so much, so thank you, ladies, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
How do you feel about your first episode, Fiona?
Much better. Feel like home now. Yeah.
Well, I think you nailed it. You did an incredible
crushed it.
haircut, Dylan. You really did. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. So it's ciao for now from Goldilocks and the Three Bitches.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Cute.
Wow!